Hello everyone, welcome to our sample room. We are a 15 years factory specialized in producing all kinds of woven length for outdoor and indoor. They are handle length, table length, and floor length. Yes, as you see, today I will show you our table length. Each length is unique because we use different material and different shade. Such like this one is wood base, yes, wood material. And this one is paper loop and linen fabric. Let's turn on the light to check. Turn off the light. Yes. And this one is rattan material. Yes, it's also the popular material. And it's also easily to install. Yes, just the shade and separate, make it. Yes, install. Yes. And like this one, the material is bamboo. Yes, you can choose different shape and different materials as you want. Actually, we are a famous manufacturer of woven length in China. We can accept OEM or ODM. So welcome to contact us and start our lighting projects. Let's create more and more possibility and beauty together, lighting up the world.